How to make money online with ShareASale affiliate marketing program. If we take a look on my ShareASale dashboard, you can see the earnings so far at a glance, $11.06. And to see today's reports, I have 4 clicks so far, but not sales making through my referral links. And here is the table of today reports for all merchants which I promote their products. In this video, I wish you how to make money online with ShareASale affiliate marketing program starting from scratch and from zero to a hero. As usually, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. ShareASale is one of the best and most known affiliate marketing company based in the USA. And to be an affiliate marketer member of ShareASale in order to promote products and generate a large income, it requires you to fill an application and send it to review. If you want to read this article based on my website, by the way, I will put the link below in description. Right now, let's see how you can join ShareASale affiliate marketing program and create an account following only 3 steps which may take from you only 5 minutes. Let us open a new window and see how new users can join in. In step 1, click on sign up as an affiliate, then they will direct you to step number 2 as you can see right now. And in this step, it requires to create a username, create and confirm password, and your country where you are based on. And in the third step, you need to add your website and submit your information. Make sure that you already have a website, because it's essential to be approved. ShareASale will review your application less than 2 days, and will message you like this example in this article, a welcomed message. Right now, after you got accepted, you should search for merchants to promote their products. Click on Search for Merchants, and start looking for merchants. Let us click on New Program category, which includes recently added programs, and pick any merchants in order to show you how you can select programs to promote right away. I will pick this program or this merchant. As you can see here, a 10% is a base commission will be given to you promote this program and refer customers to make a purchase. But you must ensure that you only need to promote this program inside of the USA to get a commission. Make sure that this program is not auto approval, and cookies days are 30. Also, be sure that this program may pay you per click. And to know all about those details, visit my website and read the article. By the way, this program doesn't support paying per lead. Now, let's see if you want to promote this program, what you should do. To join this program, you also need to apply for it. Because it is not auto approval, as we said in the first site, it requires you to write down why you are choosing this program and how you would like to promote the product. Make sure that the merchant will review your application. And here in this application section, you can type similar like this example. I will promote your promote by writing content and running campaigns. You also can include your numbers of audience, and you must read the term and conditions merchants. And when you find typing, click on join this program. Make sure that programs should be related to your niche in order to get approved, and to easily promote products and refer customers. Right now, it will take you to my merchants. I've promoted their programs and see you example how you can promote and get a commission in the return. An example of this program, Brilliant Directories give you $1.25 as a commission per lead, and only when you refer customers to sign up. And here you can see the commission. 10% as a commission when you refer customers to purchase this program. And if customers only sign up for free, the merchant will pay $1.25 as a commission. With this program, you possibly can generate thousands of dollars per month. And if you want to create an account, you will find my referral links below in description. And right now, it's time for showing you my favorite program that I prefer to promote its products, as well as everyone can join, because it's auto approval program and very high possibly to approve you immediately after apply for it. This program is NameCheap, a domain name famous platform and web hosting services company, which pays me every month I refer my audience to make a purchase. Furthermore, NameCheap also pays me per clicks. What good with NameCheap? They have many various of links to attract customers. And when it comes to select links to promote with customers, you can get the link only, or choose the full HTML code that display like ads banners. And those banners example that display like ads, you can put them on your website and between article, making sure that visitors may click on and probably can purchase something, and you will get a commission if so. Also, NameCheap pay per clicks come from banners and links. To show you an example of how I promote NameCheap as a program inside on ShareASale, I write a best content and mention NameCheap products to explain for audience the benefits of buying domain name as an example in this article. And here you can see the word NameCheap are displaying on different color to attract visitors and probably click on. Then they will be leading to the targeted page. And if they make a purchase, I may get a commission, even though not immediately after they click and visit the page, because the cookies and stay for 30 days. So that means, if a customer just go to the program and made a sale after 3 weeks via my affiliate link, I'm still able to get a commission. And here is how NameCheap program pays you as a commission when you refer customers buying products. And now, I will show you how much NameCheap program pays me last month as a commission. ShareASale has an amazing tool to track sales, clicks, as well as creating a custom links. And the way you can select any date, and ShareASale will generate the report in a second. And here is the NameCheap program table report of last month's, displaying the total clicks I have collected, the amount of commission I have made of making a sale. Moreover, I got paid by EPC earning per 100 clicks. And you are available to make much more promoting programs on the right way. There are many amazing programs on ShareASale that pay a lot of money as a commission, as well as paying per clicks. As you can see this program example here that pays you $100 per sale, while the EPC is so high. Last thing to tell you before end this video is payment and withdrawal. The minimum to withdraw your earnings is $50, and members can withdraw their earnings via check or through Payoneer. I recommend you to use Payoneer to withdraw your money, and you will find the link below in description to sign up to ShareASale. You still can read more about on my website. Thank you for your watching. And don't forget to subscribe to keep update always whenever I publish new videos.